Hey guys, Roddy here from The Vault, and today I've got a pretty cool little car. I know we typically show you guys a lot of classic or collector cars, but this one was so awesome we had to stick it in our collection, and this car is for sale here at The Vault. It's a 2004 Bentley Continental GT. Now what makes this car really sweet is not that it's got over 500 horsepower, but it's got a W12 engine. That's right, a 12-cylinder engine. This car, of course, is moonbeam silver, and it's got the saddle leather interior, as well as an all-wheel drive system to make sure it keeps you on the road. Now, if you know the name Bentley, you know that this thing is the epitome of luxury cars. It looks super cool with the round headlights up front. It's got the really nice wheels and tires, as well as tons of amenities on the inside. This thing's got navigation. It's got memory seats on both sides, heated seats on both sides, and it's quiet as a church mouse. If you want to know more about our 2004 Bentley GT Continental or any of the vehicles we have here at The Vault, go to thevaultms.com or give us a call at 601-665-4027. That's 601-665-4027. We can answer any and all questions you have, and we hope to hear from you real soon.
Remember to like, subscribe, and share on all our social media platforms and on YouTube. Once you've subscribed, be sure and click the bell.